regardless of who won the brief, everyone who's made something is going to share it, so the message is going to be spread regardless of who it is, and it's going to be spread in a bunch of different ways.
Morning. So we are now currently doing the morning scrum. Look at all the gang. Gang.
We've had the scrum, kicked off the week, got our new work experience candidate in Camille, so he's working out some of our internal content.
We've had some really exciting new client wins signed off today, so we are really starting to feel momentum pick up. If you are looking for a film shoot or you were thinking about getting something booked in with us, get in touch and we're happy to share with you our sort of plans and guidelines for maximising safety.
And I'm going to talk to you about today's topic while I make some dinner. So not too long ago, the UN opened up a brief for anyone to try and create some COVID-19 related content.
I had a look at the website where you could find all of the submissions that have been made. And there's some really great things. There's a whole array of things from posters to short videos to songs people have written, music videos, everything with a central theme of the virus and how to stay safe.
I thought this was a really cool idea because not only is it a worthy cause and people are up for it, but regardless of who won the brief, everyone who's made something is going to share it, so the message is going to be spread regardless of who it is, and it's going to be spread in a bunch of different ways.
One of my favourite submissions as part of that brief was something called The Sound of COVID-19. It's great in terms of the sound design, the way it kind of balances kind of education and humour.
It wasn't too long, it was about 30 seconds long, but it was really dynamic. So good that actually, by the end when I finished it watching it, I felt like it was too short. I felt like I wanted to watch more of it.
My favourite video that I saw up there was by a company which is spreading the truth.
It's talking about myth busting. It's really quick video. So I feel like it's really good for socials as well. People will have a quick look at it and be enticed.
I like this one because it's slightly more positive, I don't know. It just seems a bit more fun. I don't overly know how big 6 foot is. I'm not tall enough. Maybe it's Jay. Or maybe I do know how big a bike is. Or 6 wiener dogs. Or 6 vinyl albums.
One of the reasons behind the UN opening up this brief was because they were seeing a massive flood of misinformation and kind of disinformation surrounding the COVID pandemic. The UN is obviously a globally recognised organisation. Obviously, the opportunity to get creatives involved, working with a client like the UN, fantastic opportunity for kind of all young creatives out there. Fantastic kind of way of setting a brief and then having creators essentially flood the marketplace with innovative, creative and effective content.
Apparently Lincoln means pool by the hill, by the way, so you can whip that one out while you're there. Meet any locals. Iron Age Celtic.
Yes, Hannah with the klaxon.